I started with prepping my skin with a primer moisturizer and eyeshadow primer for the eyelids. I went in with the lightest full coverage foundation that I had at first and added a light layer of white grease paint on top of that, making sure to get any other areas of skin that would be showing. I also made sure to go over my eyebrows with a layer to mute them down and set everything with translucent powder. I then took a fluffy brush and applied gray eyeshadow messily around my eye, focusing on the crease, tear duct area, and underneath my eyes. I applied the same gray eyeshadow to contour and hollow out my cheekbones, jawline, sides of my nose, forehead, and even brought it down to hollow out my collarbone and dirty up the neck area. I used the same setting brush from earlier to blend any super harsh lines. To intensify the eye, I went in with black eyeshadow and then a dark purple eyeshadow over my lid and lower lash line. I then tightlined and lined my lower waterline with black eyeliner. To make my eye appear more sunken in, I outlined the outside of the shadow work I did with the white grease paint and used my finger to tap out and soften the harsh white line. For blush, I went in with a light pink. I highlighted the usual high points of my face with white highlighter and blended that with a dry sponge. To draw on the cracks, I used the Makeup Forever Flash palette, but you could use black grease paint. I suggest starting with light strokes and going back in later to add holes wherever you feel they need to be. I outlined my lines with white and used my finger to tap and blend. This step's a little bit tedious, but it just helps with the overall effect. I curled my lashes, added a coat of mascara, and popped on falsies. For my lips, I used a mixture of pink in the middle, purple towards the ends, and used a little of the gray eyeshadow around the mouth area. To finish up, I tapped some spots of white in random areas and tapped that out with my finger. To finish the look, I popped on a wig in the most doll-like outfit I could find and then proceeded to creep myself out.